August 15th, card opening. We're here on the weekend. We're going to open some cards this Sunday. We have a 2. Under 2002. It's 8. 2, 4. 2, 4. 8. We'll select. And one more. 6. 2, 4, 6. We have a finest. Some excellent pack selection today. Our blaster for today, like I mentioned, is going to be a Bowman. Of note for those who are following me, I had to get the envelope for the missing hit from Topps Tier 1. All filled out, all the paperwork. We'll send that in, and I'll let you know what happens. In about 3 to 4 weeks is what it takes for them to respond. I'm going to open up this Bowman real quickly, get the packs out. Bowman packs, we'll set them up there. We'll say select and finest. We'll start with 2002, which, as of last time, not a bad opening. It sticks a little bit. The rookie, we pulled one of the better rookies in the game. The best is Joe Mauer, and he's in Series 2, but the second best rookie is the one we pulled yesterday. Jason, was it Jason Bay? It's like I'll grab it once I finish gently pulling apart these cards. Yeah, Jason Bay. Billy Wagner. Randa, Danny Graves. This foil, United We Stand, September 17th. Mets first Pirates. They're pretty cool cards. And then Nates, Route, Montgomery, and Joe Brochland. That different foil looking card is not necessarily an insert though. It has a higher number. And everyone I've seen has not been one of those. So I don't know if that's like a gold or something. We're just looking for variations in good cards here. Tatis is moving on to the outfield when he returns. I can't do this. Veterans. Rookies, prospects. Veteran. Garrett Mitchell. Austin Hendricks. Vlad Gomez Grayson. Braylon Marquez being our rookie in that pack. Now, Bowman I missed in a few pieces, but I still have a lot of blaster boxes of Bowman lying around that we will slowly be doing. Evan White, Tavares, Chaz Chisholm. Shoemaker, Jose Salas, Manoa continues to pitch fairly good for the Blue Jays. Blue, Mize, Devi Garcia, Cronenworth, Luis Campusano, Robbie Kuhn, Shane Bieber, Ke'Bryan Hayes, Nolan Jones, Harris, Stormson, Josiah Gray, and a Matt Manning out of $4.99. Little color in our Bowman. Yelich, Murphy, Lewis, Scherzer, Bryant, Santalar, no rookies in that one. Wander Franco, Tampa Bay there. Jeremy De La Rosa, Frank Alvarez, Jordan Walker. One more Bowman. Bobby Dahlbeck, Pache, Ruiz, Patino. Good group of rookies. Trout, Castillo, Bellinger, Beatty, Jackson Miller, Marno, Brendan Davis. No Blaze Jordans. No Austin Martins. Good rookie collection. I'll run through them again in case you missed. Great list there. Good way to get a whole bunch of rookies, that's for sure. Let's do finest first. A Magical in the back. Krylov in the front. Soto. Mookie. Bohm. Magical. It's a pretty good trio of the rookies there. Krylov, Bohm, and Magical. Mookie and Soto. Mookie's in down here, but any kid would have been happy with that, even though I wouldn't know the rookies when I was a kid. This feels like another fat pack. Vito Select has toyed with our heartstrings. Are they toying again? They are. Oh, little punks. Derek Hill, Jack Flattery, Green, Evan Longoria, Jodell Phenoms, and Justin Verlander. Evan Longoria is out of 99. I do have to say, this Judge out of 35 is just per pricing I saw somewhere between $50 and $100 card. I have enjoyed the Select opening. Anyway, pretty good opening today. Lots of fun cards. Some good rookies. Good packs. Anyway, that's all from here. You take care.